You see what I'm talking about? Like the electricity availability has increased from 48% during load shedding to 80% at the present. And this is what they're using for campaigning for local elections. That's what he was saying during their local government manifesto, the Minister of Electricity. But he's still not saying anything about improving the prices. As I've been on this case, I think since 2024, when he was formally announced as the Minister of Electricity, when it was the first time we had a Minister of Electricity, and we were like, actually, that's a good initiative to launch a Department of Electricity, even though there are too many departments, but at least right now, we will no longer say that ESCOM belongs to the Department of Energy and Minerals or the Department of what's that other one? State-owned entities that was run by Pravin Gordhan. Because whenever we had a problem, they will say, no, go and speak to Mandash, go and speak to Pravin. Right now, whenever we have a problem with electricity, if the people at ESCOM they can't help us, we know where to cry to. We have a minister in Ramhope who has a full national budget and all of that. Employees, everyone goes there in the morning to work and all of it. But they can't sit in a room and offer us a solution on the pricing of electricity. As I'm speaking right now, I think we are 2 years in, like 2 years in deep since he was formally announced as the Minister of Electricity. 2 years in, and the prices of electricity. If I give you a receipt from 2024 that I posted back then, and if I give you my receipt right now of this month, you will see the huge difference. Electricity kept on climbing and climbing and climbing. And I get it. They wanted to make sure that load shedding stops. But at what price? Should we now treat electricity as if it's something that belongs to the elite or people who have a certain amount of money or earn a certain amount of money? And now I just have to buy electricity just to at least, what do you call it? Power on some light bulbs. I can use electricity to cook or for a geyser to bath and other things that consume a whole lot of electricity. My electricity, when I buy it, maybe should be for lights and uh, refrigerators, and that's it. And that's what most South Africans are facing right now. They can't even watch televisions right now because of a minister who doesn't have a plan on how to reduce the price of electricity so that all consumers can actually go on and afford electricity. Or maybe someone who we can say we don't have a minister who want more people connected to the grid legally, because right now there are people at places like Alexandra and other places, they are connected illegally on the grid. They are not paying electric bills and all of it. They also want to own meter boxes, but they are committing the crime because they feel like the government will not do anything for them. The Department of Electricity will not reduce the price, so they can't afford. So they resolve to committing what they call a crime and all of it.